Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on role of advertising in brand building. Let's start with the introduction. Registering the central values of a brand into the target customer's heads is called brand building. The image of a brand in the minds of the customers is called a brand image. The image of brands in the consumer's minds is the basis of their purchase decisions. Now let's look at ways of building a brand with the help of advertising. These are, first, creativity in advertising. Second, brand ambassadors. Third, through media selection. Fourth, using symbols. Fifth, providing excellent after-sales service. Sixth, product performance. Seventh, pricing of the product. And eighth, the company itself. Let's look at each one of them briefly, starting with creativity in advertising. Creative ads are created by advertisers in order to build a likable brand image. Different elements of an ad, like the color combination, text, copy, headline, and slogan, must be carefully selected by ad agencies. Example here is of Jeep's campaign, See What You Want to See by Leo Burnett. Leo Burnett France created a print ad for Jeep. Every advertisement features a picture of an animal. When the image is turned upside down, it turns into a different creature. An elephant becomes a swan, a doe turns into a sea lion, and a giraffe turns into a penguin. The idea is to convey that with Jeep, you can take off wherever you like and see what you want to see. Next, brand ambassador. The brand and its ambassador's personality must be in tune with each other. Example, Michael Jordan and Nike. In 1984, a 21-year-old rookie, Michael Jordan, signed a 5-year deal with Nike worth $500,000 per year. Nike was a struggling company back then, and Jordan himself preferred either Adidas or Converse. However, Nike agreed to give Jordan his signature line, which reportedly earned around $3.14 billion in 2019. Next, through media selection. Brand image is highly influenced by the programming quality and media selection. Example, Coca-Cola used 1,760 LED screens to make this ad. Coca-Cola has successfully come twice in the Guinness Book of World Records for an extraordinary Times Square billboard. The ad, composed of 1,760 independently programmed moving screens that synced the screen movement with the display. The pictured illustration also changed based on the time or the day of the week. Created and formulated by Radius Displays Limited, the billboard took many years to develop. Next, through symbols. A unique brand image must be created with the logos and symbols linked to the brand. In addition to that, they should also help customers recognize these brands immediately. Example, Ronald McDonald. Cheerfulness and warmth are what Ronald McDonald represents. Fifth, through after-sales service. A good brand image can be built in a market with the help of immediate and effective after-sales service. Example, Apple stores. Apple stores have been a central part of its customers' experience since Steve Jobs took over in 1997. Before that, Apple computers were sold through chain stores and other authorized outlets. The company was not comfortable with this model as Apple severed ties with over 10,000 third-party retailers. After that, the company opened the first Apple store and overhauled its entire website. The transition from third-party sellers to running its own stores gave Apple more control over its customer service. Next, product performance. Building a brand image is directly dependent on the product itself. A brand's image will be positively affected when the product leads to the consumer being satisfied due to its performance. Example in this case is Samsung's campaign, Farewell Flat, agency network Ogilvy. Farewell Flat, Samsung goes bold with the provocative Z Fold 2 campaign. Ogilvy New York, Production Studio Room 121 and their teams across Korea and New York produced this global campaign. It was made in collaboration with Samsung's mobile brand team. With I Have Been Loving You Too Long playing in the background, the camera pans across a pile of flat phones before ascending to the Galaxy Z Fold 2 sitting on a stack of smartphones. Moving from repetition to innovation, it ends with the aggressive provocation, Farewell Flat. Stephanie Coy, Senior Vice President and Head of Global Marketing Team of Mobile Communication Business at Samsung Electronics said, "With Farewell Flat, we wanted to show our commitment to future of foldables. This is not a passing fad. Creating something new is hard, but the Z Fold 2 will transform how we use our phones. Foldables are here to stay, and Samsung has boldly put up the first stake in the ground. We are proud to be leading this exciting new era of mobile and call the world's trailblazers to lead it with us." Next, through price. The image of a brand can be influenced by the product price. Example, BMW, Mercedes and Audi. Brands with premium cars like Audi, BMW and Mercedes get the image of luxury due to the high price. And finally, brand building also rests upon the company itself. A brand image can be influenced by its company image. Example, Dove Men Plus Care Dad On by Ogilvy campaign. Flip advertisement created by Ogilvy Canada for Dove Men Plus Care. Taking a different approach than the common sad seen among most pandemic ads, Ogilvy Toronto created something different inspired by the pandemic. The Dad On video shows dads having fun during the pandemic. A series of videos showed how a dad helped make a change in an autistic child's routine, a dad giving a haircut, a dad helping kids overcome fear, dads being creative, and dads helping out. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic of role of advertising in brand building. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.